Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video, but before I get to that, I did want to show you my bag of the day. It is the Longchamp Brioche in the size medium. Now this bag comes in, I believe, 3 sizes, maybe 4. I know for sure it comes in the extra small, the small, and the medium. So this is the medium, which is the largest size, and I don't have it closed right now, which is why it looked a bit crooked. But this is the largest size, and when you measure it across the base, which is from basically the edge of the seam over to this edge, it's just under 10 inches. So for me, it is a great size. If I go down to the small, because of the way it pleats up at the top, I can't fit everything I want to carry in there, at least not comfortably. And I guess I don't know that 1000%, but I really don't think I can because of how things fit in here. Right now, I am using, and you see how that pops open? That's one thing that this bag does, is it pops open and gets wide. This is an insert for a Louis Vuitton Alma BB from Green Tag Inserts, and it's not meant to fit this bag perfectly, but I wanted something in there so it wasn't a black hole. I have all kinds of room to fit more things in this bag, but because of the way it pleats up at the top, it does reduce the amount of space that is available. I do have more space down here though that I could take advantage of if I needed to. However, based on using this now for 2 days, I love it. The lambskin leather feels amazing, and it feels very comfortable on the shoulder as well. This bag is surprisingly comfortable crossbody too. I would have thought it would have been really only good for shoulder, but no, it works good both ways. So I have a confession to make. I'm going to open another one of these. You guys know it's the Jade one that has been on the way for quite some time now. At first I ordered the small, and then I went to the store in Dallas and tried on this one, hence why I have this one in my hand. And then I found out that my package was lost, the one that Longchamp Outlet in San Marcos sent me, the Jade small one. And so then once that was determined it was lost, they let me upgrade to the medium size for the difference in price. So that's what I've got to show you today. Finally, yay! So let's go ahead and open this bad boy, or bad girl. For some reason I keep calling my bags boys, but we all know they're girls. At least my bags are. That may not be the case for everybody, or maybe if I had the right backpack, like maybe my Longchamp backpack could be a boy. But this bag, I think it's going to be a girl, even though it's green. You know, when you have a baby, if it's blue, it's a boy. If it's pink, it's a girl. I think green and yellow are kind of in the middle, so they can go either way. So this is very well packed by Kevin. Has lots of padding around it. It's in a plastic bag to keep it from getting wet should it be caught in the rain. Here is a lovely note, I assume, because the receipt is attached with a ribbon to the outside of the bag. I'm trying to get it out here. Let's see what he has to say. What does Kevin have to say for himself? Thank you for your patience through this UPS mishap. I am grateful we were able to resolve so quickly. Thank you for the trust, loyalty, and support. As always, enjoy your bag. Aw, Kevin. Thank you for your kind words. So I'm going to take the receipt. Actually, I can tell you guys, this bag is right around $470 before tax. And I don't pay tax because I don't have a Longchamp in my state. That was with the discount that I got over the holiday weekend. They had a deal where if you donated to the Susan Komen Foundation, you did a $10 donation, you got an extra 25% off their sale prices. That may or may not continue through the end of the month. The jury is out on that, but you can certainly call and ask if you find something that tickles your fancy. Otherwise, the prices at the outlet tend to be 30% off or more, so it's still a great deal. This bag retails for $8.95 though, so that extra 25% off sure did help. Hey! So one thing I always say whenever I'm unwrapping bags with chains, oh my gosh, this leather is like, did you see me just get a little bit orgasmic there? This leather is incredible. I love it when bags with chains are wrapped properly. And this is proper wrapping. This is avoiding chain damage to the beautiful quilts on this lambskin. Let me put my glasses on. I want to check it out. It's definitely more green than I thought. It's a beautiful shade. The plaque is in really good condition. I don't think it has even the tiniest scratch on it. No, sir, it does not. And then, I mean, I wouldn't expect anything less from Kevin and the Longchamp outlet to send me anything less than a bag in perfect condition. So there she is. I wore blue today so that we could see the difference between the green bag and the pink bag. You can see that it appears that the clasp on the green bag hangs a little lower than the clasp on the pink bag. But I think that has to do with the fact that, oh, it's not snapped. That's probably one of the major reasons. Yep, there we go. And it doesn't have anything weighting down the bottom. So this bottom is slightly concave, and that's going to go away whenever there's stuff inside. One thing I've noticed when I get into these bags is that they do pop open on their own on one side as I open it up. And that's okay. It is a hard squeeze to get it closed. Well, I say that. This one squeezes much easier than the pink one does. Hopefully it doesn't come open too much easier. But if it pops open and pops closed pretty easily, that makes it easier for me to shut. This one has a little bit of scuffing on the inside of the flap, probably just from being handled at the store. And I found with the pink one, I was able to get that type of thing to just rub right out. This one's not rubbing out just here on the fly, but probably with some leather conditioner, those little marks will come right out. Sure that there will be a little bit more of that happens as I use her. But I cannot get over how good this bag feels. Oh my gosh, it is luscious. So I'm gonna spray her down with Colonel Carbon Pro just to protect her so that she doesn't get any other colors on her backside, because we want to keep her backside nice and shiny and only with the jade color on it, no additional coloring. Another thing I've noticed with these bags is when you open them, it is a little bit hard to pull them open. You almost need two hands to get them open, but it does get easier when you have something inside. So that's just something to keep in mind if you get one and you're trying it out. This is my new beauty. I hope you like her as much as I do. I think she's just fabulous. Thank you, Kevin, so much for enduring the journey with me to get this bag from your store to me through the route that we took. First by sending one that sadly was lost, and then by changing the bag altogether to get the one that was perfect for me to my door. I hope you all have a wonderful day. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. If you pop an @ symbol in front of that in the search bar, I'll pop right up. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I hope to see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.